This is about the southern colonies of John Springer. The most two famous people in the southern colonies were John Smith and William Calvert. The southern colonies, they built tools and buildings. They got harbors, rivers, fertile farming and cash crops, and farmhouses. The southern colonies use these ships to get place to place. They visit the Appalachian Mountains and the Piedmont region. The southern colonies, they're mostly made up of agriculture, plantations, cash crops, and lots of laborers. Plantation was the main reason social life was still going. Because of plantation, they were able to make money so fast since the plantation was so large in their social life. King Charles I was the first person to found the southern colonies. He gave land to someone named Catalog, which is named for a sea, and that sea means he was mostly in the North Carolina and South Carolina in his past days. Thank you for watching about the southern colonies. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.